Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mashakal Me. Hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create this beautiful and fluffy crochet rose DIY. It's an easy DIY to create. You can use it as a brooch or you can attach it to a hairband. So let's begin. For this tutorial I'll be using this leftover yarn from my other project. This is a woolen yarn, slightly thicker than the normal that I use, and a 4.0 mm crochet needle. To begin with, wrap your yarn around your fingers to form a circle and pull the yarn through the middle by inserting your hook like so. And this will form as a first foundation for the chain. Now yarn over like so and pull through. This will be counted as our first chain. For this pattern you have to create chains in multiples of 10, like 10, 20, 30, 40. So keep counting while you create chains because otherwise you'll miss it. Here I have created a trail of foundation chains, so you have to just keep counting. So 10, 20, 30, 40. Now you have to create 3 extra chains. So 1, 2, 3. So 10 plus 3, 20 plus 3, 30 plus 3, and so on. Now to begin with the second row, count 3 chains from the hook, and in the 4th chain create a double crochet. So yarn over, insert the hook through the chain. I'm sorry, I'm going out of focus here. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. So in the next chains, create single double crochets. So in each single chain, there will be a double crochet. Kindly let me know in the comment section below if you want me to create an in-depth tutorial on how to create a foundation chain, single crochet, double crochet, slip knot, etc. I would love to create a special video for the same. This is how your project will look like once you have created row 2. Now to go to the next row, the place where there are 3 chains, the bottom row, I'm talking about row 2, insert the hook, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 2 loops on your needle, yarn over and pull through both the loops. So this will be counted as our first single crochet. Now in the next chain stitch, you will create 5 double crochets. So yarn over, insert the hook through the chain, yarn over, we'll have 3 loops on the hook, insert the hook through first 2 and the next 2. So in the same chain space you'll create 4 more double crochets. That means a total of 5 double crochets in the same chain. Now in the next chain space you will create a single crochet. So insert the hook through the chain, yarn over and pull through. You'll have 2 loops on the needle and pull through 2. So this will form as our first petal. Now to go to the next petal, skip the next chain, and in the next chain you will create 5 double crochets. There will be 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. So create 4 more double crochets in the same chain space. This is the third one. This is the fourth one. and this is the 5th one. Now in the next chain space, create a single crochet. So these are the 2 petals that we have created. Now skip the next chain and in the next chain create 5 double crochets again. Follow the same procedure until the end of the chain. Once you are at the end of the row, your crochet work will start to curl up. It's absolutely fine. So now instead of creating 5 double crochets in one chain, I'll be creating 3 double crochets in the same chain to create smaller petals. If you feel confused, don't do it. You can go about with 5 double crochets, it's absolutely fine, but I'm just creating 3 double crochets to form smaller petals here. I'm at the end of this row and I'll be creating a single crochet to end up this row. So the last single crochet. So now to cut off the excess thread, just yarn over and pull the yarn through like so. And with the help of a scissor, cut off the excess thread. This is why I call this as the easiest crochet, because it has only 3 rows and it's very easy to create, and a beautiful fluffy roll will be ready. So here I cut off the thread and tighten the yarn up and cut off the excess thread once again. This is how your crocheting pattern will look like once you're done. This is how it will look like from front, and this is how it will look like from behind. Now we have to start rolling it up to form a rose. So start rolling it up like this. I hope a visual explanation is self-explanatory. I don't need to explain. So keep rolling it up like so. You can use the pattern from behind to roll it up also, because that will form a fluffier version. So keep rolling it up until you reach to the end of the pattern. So when you roll this pattern, it should have a flat bottom. So be careful and keep rolling and rolling and rolling until you reach to the end of the pattern. A beautiful fluffy rose in the making. This is how your pattern will look like once you're done. Now from behind it should have a flat bottom, and with the help of a sewing needle you can stitch the edges with the same yarn that you have used. I don't have a big eyed needle here, so I have left it like this. Here I have created a similar pattern using velvet yarn, so double colored yarns using the same crocheting pattern. And when I had rolled it off, I have rolled it from behind, so it looks more fluffier. I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you did, please don't forget to comment, like and subscribe to my channel Mushakal Me, and don't forget to follow me on my other social media handles. So thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.